Are you 62 or older and looking for a way to enjoy your retirement without the stress of monthly mortgage payments? A reverse mortgage might be just what you need. With a reverse mortgage, you can tap into your home's equity, eliminate those pesky payments, and gain financial freedom, all while staying in the comfort of your own home. Imagine having extra cash to travel, pursue hobbies, or simply enjoy peace of mind. If you have questions or want to learn more, fill out the request form below. And if you'd like a short video explaining reverse mortgages in more detail, just let us know using the same form. We're here to help you make the most of your golden years. Don't wait, discover how a reverse mortgage can transform your future today.